Good morning, YouTube. So, had a lousy day yesterday, not getting nowhere on straightening this wall out. So, today I'm going to take that top plate off and see what that does for me. After I get that done, I'm going to go out and work on, take care of the yard. I got to mow grass. We got a lot of rain lately, and had a day and a half without rain, so it's that time of year. Grass is just going to keep growing no matter what, so I got to mow it when I can. So I don't know how well you can see this because it's not very bright in here. I do have the lights on, but so if you look, turn the screen on so I can see. Alright, so if you look up there, you can see a gap. It's not real big, but it's enough to cause me more problem. So we'll take off the top plate and see what it does for me. And probably wind up cutting all the nails, or at least most of them, so I can get that out of there. I don't want to beat on the wall. I just don't think that'd be a good idea. And nope, I guess it started. Oh, I got to change the battery too. You're about ready to fade off on me. Alright, so I'll put you up on top of the wall. And I got a different step stool because I have to have one. No way I can get around it. A little bit older. I think it's just a little bit taller. And it's a little bit narrower, so it fits on this step really well. So, let's put that there. So I got to get this board that I wedged in there out. It's really stuck in there. I did a good job. I'm just glad I didn't nail it. Man, if you try and get this out of here, if I nailed it. You see I tore the wall up. I'm going to have to fix it anyways, but I got to fix it more. something I did not do yet was take this mold out. It has to come out. So I got a lot of nails in here holding this thing as straight as it is. Turn my hearing aids off. Alright, well, it's working pretty well. I got nails coming from the bottom also I got to cut off that I forgot about. And I'm running out of wall space, so I've got to cut them off and see if it springs back this direction. I'm going out to the garage and get a see if I got a metal blade for my sawzall. It's got a lot better reach. Excuse me. It turns out I didn't have to even go to my garage. I have them in here. Brand spanking new. Alright, so I got the blade. Should be a lot easier, a lot faster. I'm also going to cut off the ones that I've already cut because they're sticking up on both sides. Huh, I know what it's doing. So I got a nail already cut off, and it's just barely sticking down below this board, so I try to cut that one off. The bottom of this board is in the way. one here I want to cut. And then all that I just did, it's all done. So it's coming off pretty easy. In case you didn't notice, you might have, you've rotated. This board just jumped that way. So, it's still a problem. I think you'll be out of harm's way. I want to yeah. I didn't cut that nail off on both ends, so it won't let it relax as much as it wants to. Alright, so I get my pry bar and start prying some more. Yeah, there's more gap on the other side. Alright, so I've successfully pried it up. Now I'm going to cut the rest of those nails off, and this board should come out. And as you notice, it's twisted back up and sprung this direction just like it was when I put it in. So, all them nails, while they held it, probably caused the problem for the lower one, so hopefully this is the right way to do it. Alright, it's free! So, I guess this is the moment of truth. Did this solve my problem? If you look at that, I don't see any, well, I guess there's a smidgen of gap there, but that was my problem, or at least majority of it. So well, that's all for today. I'm gonna go mow grass. If I get that done in time to remember, I might come back and do some more. So y'all have a wonderful day, and of course, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Tell me what I'm doing that you like or don't like, and talk to you tomorrow.